Dr. Vitaly Moseson here, Bay Health Center in Palo Alto, California. And today I want to talk to you about arthritis and arthritis relief. Now, arthritis is another one of those very general type diagnoses that just mean condition of the joint. It doesn't really tell you why the joint is damaged. It could be from trauma, it could be from poor posture, it could be from genetics. Now, the types of arthritis that I see a lot of is spinal arthritis. Now, your spine is made up of 24 individually movable bones called the vertebra. And these vertebrae are supposed to be more or less lined up with one another so that they can move freely yet in sync, and the spinal column can have good spinal mechanics. In between every bone, what you have is called a spinal disc. And the spinal disc acts as a cushion in between every vertebra, and it allows for this free type of movement. Now, when you've sustained some trauma, like a bad accident, a whiplash type injury, or if you've been sitting at a desk for hours and you've just developed poor posture, what happens is you're putting these discs under tremendous stress and you speed up the arthritic process, which pretty much wears the joints out. So this is actually a good chart over here, or a good model rather. You could see that the disc in this model is nice, tall, and hydrated, and as it goes down the line you can see that it wears thin until you start developing these bony type spurs. This is the process of wear and tear, and this happens as we get older. But when you have had some kind of trauma to the spine, or you do have poor posture, this can happen up to 3 to 4 times faster, especially if you're doing nothing to slow this process down. Now, exercise, good nutrition, there are specific nutritional protocols that positively affect the disc. And a very key component is, of course, restoring spinal mechanics. And that's where chiropractic comes in. What chiropractors do is they gently restore movement in a stuck vertebra or a misaligned vertebra, allowing the disc to get the nutrition that it needs so it doesn't prematurely wear out. So if you do have any kind of back pain or neck pain, it's good to take an x-ray to see if arthritis is the primary cause, which in a lot of cases it can be. In which case you should see your doctor of chiropractic.